English. Lesson 1. Fruit. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Orange, orange. Mango, mango. Strawberry, strawberry. Pineapple, pineapple. Grape, grape. Watermelon, watermelon. Blueberry, blueberry. Peach, peach. Pear, pear. Cherry, cherry. Plum, plum. Lemon, lemon. Lime, lime. Papaya, papaya. Coconut, coconut. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Kiwi, kiwi. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Pomegranate. We've just learned the names of many different fruits. Now, let's see how much you remember was a fun game called Guess a Fruit. I'll show you a picture of a fruit, and your job is to guess its name in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. Guess a fruit. Welcome back, everyone. Now that we know the names of different fruits, it's time for a fun challenge. We are going to play Guess a Fruit. I will show you a picture of a fruit, and you have to guess its name in English. Ready? Let's begin. Here's the first fruit. Can you guess what it is? It's an apple. Did you get it right? Great job! Now, how about this one? What's its name? That's a pomegranate. Well done! You all did an amazing job. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know the names of all the fruits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more fun and educational videos. Thanks for playing, and see you next time.